Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Mount Vernon, New York. A Jamaican-born superintendent has been reassigned amidst fraud investigation, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to talk about this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. The Mount Vernon School Board has reassigned Jamaican-born Superintendent Dr. Waveline Bennett-Conroy. The Mount Vernon Board of Education has voted Monday to reassign Jamaican-born Dr. Waveline Bennett-Conroy amidst federal probe into an awarding of federal grants amounting to $8.80.5 million. That's 8.5 million US dollars. In a press release, the school board said that a special meeting of a board Monday night is voting to administratively reassign Dr. Waveline Bennett-Conroy, superintendent of school, until further notice or action by the board. Her duties, while reassigned, have not been stated. Dr. Bennett-Conroy will receive her full pay and benefits during the period of reassignment. The board also appointed Veronica Kim Smith as acting superintendent. She has been assistant superintendent for pupil personnel service since 2021 and has worked in the school district since 2001. The same year, Bennett-Conroy joined the district as a Spanish teacher. The school district is currently facing a federal investigation over its handling of federal grant money. The school board said the United States Attorney Office for the Northern District of New York was seeking records for the district, and Bennett-Conroy assisted associates with the awarding of contract totaling over $8 million in federal grants since 2016 made to a single agency, the West Nyack-based Just Inspire. Now, according to reports, Marlon Stevenson, the son of Bennett-Conroy's son, Marlon Stevenson, worked at the same company with Susan Mayer shortly before they started Just Inspire in 2016. In November, the school board hired a Long Island-based accounting firm to conduct an independent comprehensive audit for the district grant program. That audit has not yet been completed, according to the board. Jamaican-born Dr. Bennett-Conroy was appointed school superintendent on July 1st last year, but previously served as school district and as assistant superintendent for school improvement, overseeing grants-related program. Dr. Waveline Bennett-Conroy was born in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and taught for 10 years in Jamaica before migrating to the United States in 1989. As superintendent of Mount Vernon School System, she oversaw a staff of over 1,500 people, including 693 teachers, 3 high school, and several other schools from pre-K to grade 8. She also managed a school budget of over $266 million and supervised the welfare of 8,000 children in the school system. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are all allegations. Nothing has been proven as yet. This seems like a honest woman, and it appears that there might have been some mishandling of funds, but I'm sure this beautiful, sweet old lady from the parish of St. Elizabeth, not in a foreigner scam, in a Mount Vernon, nah. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I'm reporting live here, Dr. Waveline Bennett-Conroy. Yeah, born in St. Elizabeth, the superintendent of the Mount Vernon School District has been reassigned due to a federal probe Seems like says she hide some money under her robe. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment if you think that a nice, sweet old lady and her son have Uncle Sam run them down. More life, more joy, more nothingness.
So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them X with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them X with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We here every time. We're watching Deep Roots TV.
My name is Akaya, and you're watching Deep Roots TV.
Watching Deep Roots TV.
Deep Roots TV.
You're watching Deep Roots TV.
Deep Roots TV.